Freaking gosh, it's finally arrived. The wait is over. Can this thing focus? There we go. I got my Elgato, man. Look, dogs. Look. I have my Elgato. Woo! Can't wait to open this thing up. Oh, I shouldn't show that on camera, actually. Yeah. Woo! So my Elgato has finally arrived all the way from the US of A, the United States of America. I can't really show you the front there. I mean, I've kind of made that mistake. I'll blur it out and whatever. But it's finally arrived after so long. I can't wait to open this thing up. Just show you guys exactly what it all looks like and all that kind of stuff. So awesome, I'm super excited. One thing I always see in an unboxing video or anything like that, they always have a knife. Haha. So maybe I'll be using this knife, but I'm not too sure exactly how I'm going to use it because there's bubble wrap underneath here. I could feel it. But let's try. Let's get in here. So let's just... Okay, this doesn't exactly work very well. Come on, let's get in there. There we go. We've made enough of an opening so we can use this now. But yeah, thank you so much, Amazon and Elgato, for finally sending me my freaking Elgato. I can't wait to open this. It's a Corsair Elgato HD60 Pro. No, it's just the HD60, alright? HD60s. There we go. HD60s. Alright, so you guys ready? I have it in my hand and I'm super excited to see it. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got it upside down. Oh my god. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, that looks amazing. Wow. Look at that. 1080p, 60 FPS, USB 3.0, instant game view, guys. Instant game view. Oh my god, stream and record instantly. Oh, I can't wait to try this thing out. Let's get it open. Well, as you can see, that didn't go very well. Yeah. Whoops. I guess I just did not appreciate this plastic thing that they stuck over the top. Literally, I could not open this thing because it was literally stuck and it was closing it, so I had to take it off. So I did not appreciate that. But anyway, let's get this thing open. Let's get the Elgato out. There we go. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. One step away. Okay, let's put it in the right way up. Let's get it out. Come on. Holy crap. Oof, that looks slick. Damn. Fancy, look at that. That pattern. Oh, it stops. Damn. Oh, and there's the Elgato, everyone. The HD60s, the Corsair Elgato. Damn. Wow. Wow. And there's the cables. I'm a very happy man right now. Very, very happy man. Finally have my Elgato. A sticker, nice. Hang on. How do I get this thing out? Okay, there we go. There we go. It's like the size of my palm. Look at that. It's like the size of my palm. Wow. Nice and small. Looks good. Nice and clean. I am in love. Look at that. Damn. I am very happy. Let's see what kind of cables we have here. I think we have an HDMI. Yep, there's an HDMI. Good. And then this is the USB. Now that we have it all unpacked and ready, I think I will go ahead and show you guys how it looks like when it's all set up with my monitor and then with my laptop. That'll set up for you guys in a sec. And there we go, guys. It's all set up. The Elgato is at the back here, my monitor. My laptop. There we go, there's the Elgato. There's the cables. Bad cable management, I know. And then there's the other HDMI. And then there's the monitor, the Astros, the Brieri, the mouse, the mouse pad, the laptop. The instant game view looks great. And then HD60s. Bam! If it can focus. Nice! There we go. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I'll check you guys in the next one. Cheers!